Hello everyone. In today's video, I want to focus on quick start inside TexasSolver GPU. So a lot of time, the most frustrating part of solver work is not analysis itself. It is the amount of setup you have to go through before you can even reach the spot that you actually start to analyze or study. So you can see here in a traditional solver, you have to input the range, the board, the starting port efficient stack, all of the settings, and click build G and click run, and then to get a result. So it's a very long process. So the entire goal of quick start or quick startup is to compress that process. So here you can filter by a player number here, and you can filter by a action class, like if it is a single race pot, if it is a 3-bet pot. And you can filter by open position and versus position, and you can even filter by stack sizes and all. So it gives you a very quick way to enter any specific post-flop scenarios that you want to chain in. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you want to do a 6-max and a 3-bet line that starts with UTG open 2.5 BB, MP 3-bets 8.5 BB, and UTG call. So if you want to chain under this scenario, you click this card and click next. So and then you choose your flop card. You can either random generate any of the flop card, or you can select by type. Like if you want to chain under like rainbow flop card or low connect or high jive, anything you want to chain. So and click go solve. So all those parameters, all those ranges, all those board cards, starting pot, efficient stack, all those things is automatically filled. All you need to do is just to click build G and run. So this is significantly faster. So it allows you to do like really quick tree building. So you can just by using this pipeline, you can just do post-flop research in just a few clicks. It's really convenient. So in the next video, I'll move on to tree configuration, where I will show you how to define exactly tree that you want to solve. So this is all for today's video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.